All good? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅದು ಟೈರ್ ಇದಾಗ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Oh my god. That is the difference between a professional. ಯಪ್ಪ,
ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ 3 ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ.
ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದೆ.
That was how many years old? I have to buy like this, yeah.
ಹಾಂ.
Wow. Bye. Why you put liner now? Yeah, that liner and all there, but I need this tool now. You have to go to Crankmeister for all this. They give you good advice. No, this tool is put very good. Liner for me, I don't have problem. Hey, touch it, yeah. Touch it, I know. Yes, ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರಮ್ಮ, 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. ಅದೇ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗೇನೆ. When Baba is around, no problem.
ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Oh, you have to check. Check ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡವಾ ಇದು?
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. You didn't bring your I got let's see who is faster. He is faster. Yeah. Why you want my pump? Yeah, look at ask him to want.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ.
ಬೇಡ. ಪಂಪಿಗೆನೇ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿ. Next service I'll give it crank. Goodwill. After doing all this now, Papa will charge you. What? He will charge you now. No, I will give that Crankmaster rate. That is why I made Goodwill. We'll go to do first, second service, next service. Goodwill.
Sir, no tire levers.
Should have timed this, man. Put it very. I know, man. This is like fast forward mode. Yeah, those competitions are there, no? Like.
Mine.
And there's so many. Nothing to do now. Crazy timing. I think Baba is in this ride only to help others. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So glad that he is not very fast. Yeah, that is what. He's at our place. ಅದು ಟೂಲ್ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಅದೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಳಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನಿಂದ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಮ್ಮ.
ಒಂದು ನೆಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಚೆಕ್ಕದು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಹಾಂ ನಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಇದು ಥಿಂಗ್ನಾ? ಯಾಕೆದೋ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾವುದೋ ಕೀ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ.
ನಂದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ನೀವು.
ಅದನ್ನ ಏರ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೈ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ದಟ್ ಮಿಷನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ವುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಯು. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಟೈರ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2 seconds but we are all thinking and we all decided that it is stuck.
So coffee on you. Everyone. Only coffee.
Not bad.
Okay, see you.
Okay, bye. Thank you very much.
No problem.